Hello guys, welcome back. So today in this video we will try to renew this 12 volt car battery. As you can see, this is a typical 12 volt car battery. So the problem with this is it does not have enough juice to crank this car up. So let me take you inside the car. We'll just confirm if the car does start or not. So as you can see, the car battery is too weak to crank this car up. So let me dismantle this battery and we will carry on from there. Now to remove this battery, all we have to do is undo these two bolts. So let's do it. Now the battery is all ready to be pulled up. I have also undone these contacts. So let me just grab it and pull this up. So now what we have to do is we have to drain off all the existing fluid from this battery, and to do that we have to undo these nut things from here. So I have undone all these caps from here and we will drain off this fluid in this bucket. So let's do it. So that is all the fluid that was in there. So let's leave this battery here for a moment and let's move on to the next step. So now what we are going to do is we are going to boil off some water, and here I have about 500 grams of baking soda, and we are going to pour all of this into it like so. Now the idea behind, one second. So the boiling is going to help in dissolving more baking soda, and the idea behind using this baking soda is obviously battery contains acid and baking soda is base. So once I pour this baking soda into the battery, the neutralization reaction will happen, and after many years of use, the acid inside the battery gets more concentrated and the ions inside do not have enough space to move freely around. And by pouring this baking soda into the battery, obviously neutralization reaction will happen and the ions will again have space to move freely around, and hopefully we will renew this battery by doing that. So let's wait for the water to boil fully and we will carry on from there. So once the baking soda is dissolved completely, we will turn off the heater and let this settle down for a minute or so. So now after letting the solution cool down for a bit, we will pour this into the battery. So let's do it. Now let's give this battery a good clean and we will take this inside for a trickle charge. Here I have my bench power supply, and I'm gonna set the voltage to around 15 volts. Okay, and the current, I'm gonna set the current to about 3 amps. Okay, so now let's just connect this to the battery. So let's just leave this trickle charge for about 24 hours and we will pick up the video from there. Also don't forget to put some kind of plastic mat under the battery as it might overspill. So I have left this battery on charging for about good 15 hours or so, and I couldn't wait anymore, so let me turn off this batch power supply. And the next thing we are going to do is we'll drain off this solution, this baking soda solution, from this battery, and we'll carry on from there.